Since 2013, Nest-In has continuously grown and gained trust with delivering as committed. At Nest-In, we believe in the power of collaboration to build a more sustainable and efficient future. That's why we're proud to guide you through the leading companies who have trusted us for their business construction needs. Our marquee clients include leading corporates like Nestle, Mercedes, Reliance Jio, BigBasket, Aditya Birla, Hindalco, Bharat Petroleum, Vedanta, Godrej, SMS Group, Hindustan Unilever Limited, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Mahindra, RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, AMNS India, Cipla, NIPCO. Some of the progressive municipal corporations and development authorities worked with us are Mussoorie Dehradun Development Authority, Smart City Ahmedabad, Dhanbad Municipal Corporation, Ranchi Nagar Nigam, Mathura Nagar Nigam, and Haryana Municipal Corporation. Some esteemed government bodies too have trusted us for deploying spaces faster. Indian Oil, Government of Assam, Central Public Works Department, Government of Karnataka, Indian Railways, Delhi Metro, Central Warehousing Corporation, Meghalaya Tourism, Airports Authority of India, Rashtriya Fertilizers and Chemical Limited, Border Road Organization, ONGC, NTPC, Probidary. Several brands under Tata Group also are our customers like Tata Steel, Tata Projects, Tata Consulting Engineers Limited, Tata Technologies, Tata Metalinks, Tata Pigments, Tata Tinplate, Tata Chemicals, Tata Bearings, Tata Steel Downstream Products Limited, and Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. Let us now hear from our customers on their experience with Nest-In.
Customized solutions specific to your own executive requirements, your own site requirements. Such solutions are available in Prefab within a period of say 60 days to 120 days.
We were looking for partners, definitely who would ensure quality. During our supply market analysis, we found that Tata Steel to us in this space of creation of prefabricated structures to the quality which we had envisaged.
The biggest reason for going in for a Tata Nest Studio concept was the timeline. I did not have the time and energy to get something built over a period of 6 to 12 months. And the biggest reason was that Tata is committed to get this completed in 3 months' time. And they actually did. So that was one of the biggest reasons.
So on the quality of construction, absolutely zero complaints. Right from the exterior to the interior, everything is just done perfectly. None of them match up to this kind of finish that Tata has given us.
The Tata Nest-In team used top class material, top class quality, best of the known brands. The attention to detail that they have put in on small, minute things have been very, very good. And I'm extremely happy. Be it the doors, be it the flooring that I used. My flooring I used is very different. The sloping of the roof we used, the fiber cement board that we use on the interiors and exteriors. With all kinds of customizations I asked for.
Provide the LGS substructure for such kind of construction. And the main advantage of this is that it can be constructed in a very short period of time compared to conventional construction. So we took help and we got the service and got the building constructed through Tata Nest-In, and it was done within a stipulated period of time with the satisfaction of all. Everything was decided as per discussion during design, during execution and finishing stage. So we are really satisfied with your service. It was very smooth. In fact, it is smoother than what we expected because the construction took place during the mainly rainy period of season. In spite of that, the stipulated period of 8 months within which the construction was completed, it was smooth because everything is designed by Tata Nest-In, pre-engineered, pre-designed, and it was brought to site in modules and it was fitted inside without much intervention from us. So it was finished nicely. And it is designed by a highly reputed Tata brand. So that gives a confidence to the user. And the scheduled completion within which it was completed, that was the most satisfying thing here. And we could use the facility accordingly.
And that's where we like the whole idea of the place coming in. I think largely sustainability, speed of construction, quality of material. End of the day, it's net studio, and largely I think this will not harm the nature. That made a lot of sense to us more than anything else.
Correct.
So I think we chose prefab over traditional brick and mortar largely due to the timeliness, the speed of construction, the quality of material, and the sustainability and the environmental cause.
Yeah. We did not disturb much of anything.
I think the fact that we both are working professional and a growing child with us, we will not have a lot of time to monitor the progress with brick and mortar. So we went for a prefab structure. Fantastic experience. I think timeline, yes, it was promised within the within the time frame. I mean, no complaints.
And what I really genuinely liked about the whole process was that we could tell our requirements. Go in a call with Nestle and tell our requirements, and these guys would make sure that they doubly check the entire procedure and deliver the best of quality. And we would come and have a look and check the quality of, checks basically. And I think things were really taken care in a very professional manner.
I think they were fantastically professional. I would rate a 10 on 10 on.
We have achieved this project timeline within 3 months plus time.
तो इसमें एक तो टाइम सेव होता है, दूसरा स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट चीज़ आती है, तीसरा दिस इज़ मूवेबल. अगर हमें कहीं और शिफ्ट कराने हैं तो हम इनको ले जा सकते हैं. और ये इनबिल्ट कॉम्पैक्ट एक यूनिट्स हैं, इसमें साथ में ही ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई है, डीजी सेट्स भी हैं, लाइट भी है, प्लम्बिंग, सैनिटेशन, बाथरूम्स भी हैं. और इसको हम अपने हिसाब से एक्सपैंड भी कर सकते हैं, रिड्यूस भी कर सकते हैं. तो हम इसमें और बाकी फैसिलिटीज़ को प्लान कर सकते हैं और प्राइवेसी भी आराम से मेंटेन हो जाती है, क्योंकि सारे ही क्यूबिकल्स अलग हैं और इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं. इसके साथ ही मैं एक और चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ, ये जो मोबी नेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन है, ये इको फ्रेंडली ग्रीन कंस्ट्रक्शन है. इसमें कोई ऐसा मटेरियल यूज़ नहीं होता जो कि बायो हैजर्ड हो या एनवायरमेंटली हैजर्ड हो. और ये प्रूव हो गया था कि इस टाइम जिस टाइम ये बनना शुरू हुआ था, वो मानसून सीज़न था, पीक सीज़न था हमारा, जून, जुलाई वाला, अगस्त में इस बार हैवी रेनफॉल्स हुई थी. तो ये वाली कंस्ट्रक्शन फैसिलिटीज़ किसी भी तरह क्लाइमेट या एनवायरनमेंट में इनकी जो प्रोग्रेस है वो रुकती नहीं है, क्योंकि सारा ही इंडोर काम चलता रहता है.
The team has used the quality materials that is termite proof, that is waterproof, and I'm happy with the quality aspect.
To my mind, is one of the best facilities I've seen, and giving to my employees of Tata Steel Long Products this beautiful canteen. What is impressive is the feeling of space. I think this whole canteen looks really vibrant in terms of space. I think another thing very important is the time frame. It has come up in only about 70 odd days in such a short period of time. So this is a wonderful 8,000 square feet area, you can see, where at a time almost about 150 people can sit and dine in a beautiful place. So I think lots of compliments to the team.
जो टाटा स्टील का स्टैंडर्ड है, वही स्टैंडर्ड का हम लोग कैंटीन बनाने का बात करेंगे. 2 महीना के अंदर इस जगह एक बेस्ट कैंटीन बनेगा, और ये आप सबकी देन है, और आप लोगों ने कमिटमेंट को एक्सेप्ट किए. और सही में इतना कम समय में इतना अच्छा कैंटीन मैंने अपना लाइफ में नहीं देखा.
बहुत एक प्रोफेशनल तरीके से और बहुत क्लीन तरीके से काम हो रहा था. सो इट वाज अ वेरी स्ट्रीमलाइन प्रोसेस जिसके थ्रू ये काम चला. एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी विद द टाइमलाइन. जितना टाइमलाइन दिया था उसी के अंदर प्रोजेक्ट पूरा क्लोज डाउन किया. इफ आई वांट अ ग्लास एरिया टू बी क्रिएटेड, they would first advise me कि क्या इसकी ज़रूरत है, can we create something better in lesser price, और अगर हम यही create करना चाहते हैं तो what is the best brand that we can get into. When I saw it in front of my eyes, I realized कि the quality of material is at a different level altogether. And I would recommend it to all the people, busy people out there, जिनके पास उतना समय नहीं है that they can sit every day on the site and can not do anything else for 6 months or 1 year at a stretch. उनके लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा ऑप्शन है.
Tata Steel has provided us everything from scratch till now to build this place so beautifully.
See, when we were searching online regarding this modular construction, so we came across Tata's, and under Tata's we saw Nest-In and Nest Studio, who were giving what we wanted. This is something which we exactly wanted, and seeing the website and the kind of construction they've already done, they were experienced in this, so we chose Nest Studio on that. Of location that we are situated in, we are at the hilltop, so building a brick and mortar is not easy. We go with a regular construction work. So we were looking for something which is fast, which can be done within short timelines, plus which is eco-friendly. So that is the reason that we went for this. Now, as I mentioned that once we came across Nest-In, Nest Studio, which was a part of Tata, so we were sure that yes, we were delivered on time. Whatever they committed, they delivered it. Professionalism, the team is quite professional. If there's anything which is stuck, he's the one who gets it resolved. But first thing is, you don't get stuck anywhere. So the operations are so smooth that it's being done on time. And the kind of support which actually we were not expecting, I would say the team, they gave in all, because the location is so remote. So the support that they gave, the timelines, the Gantt chart that we were following, and everything. So it was like you're involved totally in them and they're delivering whatever you want. I talk about the quality, absolutely no issues. They have a bouquet of, what you want in your cottage or the villa. So we chose all the best brands and we got what we wanted, and absolutely no issue with the quality. I would say the main advantage of using Nest Studio was, of course, the first is the timely delivery. So they have committed 3 months, they deliver you in 3 months. The construction quality, that has been the top-notch construction quality.
And when you hear of Tatas, you do think of something which you want on a larger scale, so you know that they can handle it. We wanted something which was going to be really dramatic, which I think it has come out to be that way.
We knew that the structure was available, but the structure had to be on the higher end. So therefore we had a lot of interactions and discussions. We were surprised initially when the erection started. There were only 3 people. And I said, whoa, ye kab shuru karoge? They said, ye khatam kar denge, ye teenon ladke khatam kar denge. And the guys were extremely good. I mean, I never believed that 3 people single-handedly will set up the external structure. The wall panels, we have a 14 feet height, were single wall panels. There were no joints in the wall panels, which really makes sure that there is no scope for any leakages taking place. As you see, our house also has some heavy lights in weight. That went into discussions, how can we do it? Because we have a metro under our station. There should be no vibration coming into the structure. The light should not be shaking each time. So that was also worked on and they re-engineered.
And Nest-In has designed it, provided a solution, implemented it, manufactured it, erected and commissioned these particular solutions within a time frame of 8 days, which is exceeding the expectation. This is the best I can use. The solution offered by Nestle, from engineering, manufacturing, erection, commissioning perspective, was above expectations. They have met the complete requirements with respect to the ambience, with respect to monitoring of the project site perfectly, with respect to the office work requirements, with respect to the conference room requirements, to perfection. They have offered a solution which is very, very unique. Literally, you won't find noises within the room. If you look at the interiors, the way they design it, the exteriors, the way they design it, meeting your own brand image, meeting your own requirements, meeting your own aesthetics, is excellent. For this particular case, we wanted a boardroom sort of a concept. They have translated it into excellently. They have given a white texture. The paint that they have selected was with a glazy finish, which actually gives you a complete boardroom feeling. If you look at the interiors part of it, aligned to the same concept, they provided various interior facilities, whether it is the false ceiling or whether it is the flooring. So they have met 100% of these requirements. They can give you a perfect solution meeting your end requirements.
These upgraded ITIs are located in 31 districts of Karnataka. The civil structures which we have created for these 150 ITIs are to the tune of 11 lakh plus square feet of the structure. and it is done within a record time of 6 months. Tata Steels are known for its quality, known for its expansive network in the market, and also timely construction. Really a remarkable achievement that within 6 months of period they could do it in all the remote places of the state. Karnataka being the monsoon dependent state, during monsoon period and all other rough weather also they could do it without any interruption.
I have been living in Delhi since 1975, I would say. Form of construction is very lightweight. What we were told is only 5% or 10% of the weight of a conventional structure. And since we were building on top of an existing structure which is quite old, so we were much more confident of the longevity of the project because the construction weight itself would not be a consideration.
ये वेदर प्रूफ है और ये टेम्परेचर लो हो जाता है, इसमें टेम्परेचर की है और टर्माइट फ्री है और इसको इजीली हम मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं, कहीं पर शिफ्टिंग करना हो तो इजीली हम कर सकते हैं. इसमें 50 से 60% इसकी रिकवरी हो जाती है.
Since the building is approximately 30 years old, so we did not want to choose something that would add on to more weight onto the building. So Nestle, I think, was the best solution for us to go for.
And also another added point was that we had a very short time duration to get this whole build. It's much better than we envisioned it would be.
It really goes well with the surrounding area. I mean, we never thought that this would come out the way it was. I was a little skeptical in the beginning, but Nestle has really done their job. You guys have really made it effortless for us as customers.
Because of the Tata brand name and the Tata trust, that rather automatically it pushed us to that side.
तो इनका एक दो जगह काम देखा तो पसंद आया, फिर इनसे बातचीत हुई.
I was impressed, and so we sort of gave a nod to the construction to be held at our place.
It was in a matter of 2 months, I think they completed everything. The whole lot of the goods, they came in 2 trucks.
रात को जैसे माल आता था और 12 बजे और सुबह 4 बजे तक वो ऊपर सारा माल कैरी ऑन करते थे, तो मेरे अड़ोसियों पड़ोसियों को बिल्कुल भी डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं हुआ.
They were all thoroughly professional people.
And after that, it was continuous work for about 2 months, and they finished everything, and we are quite satisfied with this arrangement.
Total experience has been very nice.
हमारी सोच के से भी अच्छे ये और इनका स्टाफ रहा. जो भी हमारे यहाँ आता है और इसको देख के उसका दिल खुश हो जाता है.
It's to be seen, to be believed.
हम गेट टुगेदर बहुत करते हैं क्योंकि जगह बहुत है और जो भी आता है यहाँ पे सब कहता है बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है.
टाटा स्टील के ये प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, इनका जो ये शेड वगैरह ये सब नीचे से दिखता है, तो कई बहुत से ऑनगोइंग लोग जो रहते हैं वो पास होते हुए ऊपर आकर पूछ के जाते हैं कि आपने किससे बनवाया है.
It is with great courage and conviction that I am saying and recommending this for any person who wants some work done quickly.
I was actually quite impressed with the professionalism because I thought in a remote place like this there will be a lot of logistic problems, but they had got it worked out, in a very decent manner for themselves and for me. You could design everything the way you wanted it, and there was no architect required, no nothing. For the bathroom fittings, what are the fittings you want? They show you a variety. Tiles, what do you want? At each operation, some people came, whatever they were supposed to do, and they went away. And our next team came, like this. So I used to just come and have a look to see what's going on. There is a 5-degree difference in temperature inside and outside because of the insulation. And the other advantage is that this, from one room to the other, sound doesn't travel too well. Whole of Himachal, Uttarakhand, there, in the seismic zone. This type of construction, I'm told it's, everything is bolted down. So it's quite secure. Biggest advantage of Nest-In is that you just make one phone call and your problems get sorted out.
When we were making this property, the first thing I was keen on, because it's a wilderness in nature, So I asked my wife, I said, let's go for some wooden lodge. Because we just realized that a wooden hut has its own challenges. Maintenance is huge, and given the nature of rainfall and other nature phenomena here, we just felt that that wasn't meeting our requirement. When this material came from Delhi, and in one go we could bring everything in here without realizing how much shifting we've done. So it has all the advantages, and particularly in areas like ours, I think this is the best option. All the items used have been top brands, and there was upfront communication on what brands, what quality of material is being supplied. I think super fine. It's top of the order. First big advantage is it's a light structure. In areas like this, actually, it's really eco-friendly. It has tremendous advantages in especially earthquake vulnerable areas.
Like I don't have to now look after the painting and redoing the roof and all that stuff. And it is easy to maintain.
So I felt this is amazingly in line with how natural it looks.
कॉन्टैक्ट किया, फिर उन्होंने अपनी टीम भेजी, यहाँ पर सर्वे वगैरह किया। दिसंबर में काम शुरू हो गया इसका और फरवरी लास्ट में ख़त्म हो गया। एक तो टाइम कम लगा, लाइट वेट है, दूसरा बाहर से टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा कम है। एक तो लॉकडाउन लगा हुआ था उस टाइम, हमें किसी चीज़ की चिंता नहीं थी कि कोई सामान लाना है, कुछ करना है, अपने आप सब सामान आता गया और ये बनाते गए और 3 महीने के अंदर अंदर सारा तैयार हो गया और हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा और कंपनी की तरफ से भी हमें बहुत सहयोग मिला। मैं टाटा नेस्टिंग वालों को यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और लोगों को इतनी जल्दी मकान बनाना जो है आजकल के ज़माने में बहुत मुश्किल होता है। यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग आते हैं वो सभी यही कहते हैं कि लकड़ी का बना हुआ है। फिर हम उनको बताते हैं, जब हम कहते हैं भी स्टील का है तो वो मानता नहीं है कोई भी स्टील का है। कंपनी ने जो भी सामान लगाया वो बढ़िया लगाया, अच्छी क्वालिटी का सामान है सारा। लोग जो है इसके प्रति आकर्षित हो रहे हैं और मैं उनको सबको यही सुझाव दे रहा हूँ कि आप आजकल के ज़माने में कल को जैसे हमारे मकान मिट्टी से, रेत से, ईंट से बनते हैं, कल को तोड़ेंगे तो उनको फेंकने के लिए जगह भी नहीं मिलेगी। तो एक तो एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली है, खर्चा भी कम आता है और कल को हमारी अगली नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। तो मैं तो सबको यही सुझाव देता हूँ कि आप इस कंपनी से मकान बनवाएं और सुविधा का लाभ उठाएं।
In conventional method, usually take 2 to 3 years. We need within 7 to 8 months. That's why you choose Nestle. Professionalism also very good. They are actually no need to tell because they are in the Tata Steel Group and they have done very good.
We decided to shift our hospital because of the expanding mining activities. We wanted a structure that would be quite robust and it ensures safety of the personnel and safety of the patient.
So within 1 year, the entire backfilling was done. The facility has come up. So the most attractive part of this is that it came up very quickly. And since everything is made in the factory, so it is very nicely finished. And as I could see, the areas, the rooms and the dining area, the kitchen and all, everything is very spick and spanky, and since the base structure is all metallic and the steel and Tata Steel has its own stamp on the quality, so we are very sure of the longevity of the structure.
The construction time is 2 times faster than the conventional building, and the construction has been made as per the 3D drawing which we have shown during the time of project approvals. We have no issue related with the safety. Engineering drawings team is available here to attend all the concern and all the hazards identification were properly taken care by the Nestle team.
So we already have one project. We have a house in Jio corporate. Tata Nestle has already done a job there about 6 years back. And we were very happy with the services, very happy with the availability. So we thought we should get another one made here only. And we did not want to try anyone else. We thought nothing like Tata Steel again.
very nice and very brilliant in terms of the look and the aesthetics of the house. Material they have used, it can be restructured, redesigned in future as per my requirements. So from most of the points, I think sustainability or trusting, Nestle has been a good choice. Based on my experience with Nestle, I would definitely recommend Nestle for the quality of construction, for the timelines, for the design, and the ease of execution, the trust that you can have with Nestle. Definitely I would recommend Nestle to my family and friends for any